Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I want to talk about some more FUD and some last-ditch attempts by the suits to try and crush the AMC price. As you can see, we've got Iceberg Research tweeting saying that we're short AMC. Fundamentals are obvious. After 1 month of trading sideways and lots of money lost in call options, the pump seems increasingly shaky. The fundamentals are known. This was driven by call options but can't last forever. We don't accuse the company of fraud. There is a price for everything we know, and we believe the pump has extended its average life. So guys, stay tuned and let's make some money. But guys, before we jump into a new video, I just want to give a massive shout out to the 750 of you that have dinged that notification bell, because you guys are always the first to watch a new video when it's released. So guys, be sure to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell so that you don't miss another video just like this one. So guys, it's obvious that they're trying to spread more FUD, more fear, uncertainty and doubt. They say after 1 month of trading sideways and lots of money lost in call options, the pump seems shaky. Although, I don't really think there is lots of money being lost in call options, especially people that have been holding call options since the AMC stock was back down at say $14 or $10. On top of that, the $50 call options have been consistently in the money for weeks now, if not an entire month. And that shows that the AMC price is holding strong and us apes are holding strong. There's an article on Yahoo Finance that says the so-called meme stock closed at $51.96 after falling almost 12% to $47.77 in Monday's trading after Iceberg tweeted that it had sold the shares short. Although, it's funny how Yahoo never really tell the full story. Yes, we saw this giant dump to around $47 after Iceberg announced that they were short AMC, but we then saw this massive recovery throughout the day and in the after hours back basically to the price that we saw on Thursday. I always find it so coincidental that the big media outlets like Yahoo Finance that are obviously funded by the suits always try and paint AMC out to be worse than it really is. Especially if we have a look at AMC on a longer timescale. Yes, okay, we did break downwards out of this pendant, but then regained the pendant and we're now actually slightly higher than that. Also, we can see that the AMC stock has stayed basically in this $50 to $60 range for weeks now, and we're no longer down at $10 to $14 a share. The AMC movement is holding strong. It says that our position is based on the fundamentals of the company and the fact its stock price has been inflated by call options, which is always temporary. And yes, okay, fair enough, the AMC movement is a temporary movement to squeeze those shorts. But what Iceberg aren't understanding is that the shorts haven't yet been squeezed yet, and therefore the movement isn't over. The article goes on to say that bearish investors forced to unwind their bets in the face of rapidly rising stock prices have helped fuel rallies this year in AMC. But again, what Yahoo and Iceberg Finance aren't understanding is that those bearish investors or those bearish short sellers haven't yet closed their short positions. The most recent exchange reported short interest still shows 85 million shares that are currently sold short. An analyst from MKM Partners said that these meme stocks are so volatile in their trading that it doesn't take much to get a big move up or down. And to be honest, I don't really think he could be any more wrong in his assumptions. These short sellers have been spending weeks and millions of dollars trying to crush the AMC price, but they can't beat it down more than a few dollars before us apes buy the stock back up and it resumes its price. There's hundreds of millions of shares being traded each and every day on AMC, and the shorts just can't beat the price down more than a few dollars. Obviously, he would say that though, as his AMC rating is a sell with a $1 price target. What a rookie. I personally think that this sell-off that we saw yesterday at around 10 AM was just a coordinated attack. None of the apes are going to be selling their shares. None of the apes know or even care who this Iceberg actually are and why they're making a short report. Therefore, this attack is obviously that Iceberg shorting AMC shares, and clearly it didn't work out too well for them, as say if they shorted around the $51 to $48, $47 mark, they're currently already red on their trade as the AMC stock has recovered to $53 a share. Clearly, they don't know what they're doing. Clearly, the media and the suits are trying to spread as much FUD as they possibly can, and the reason why is because they're running out of steam. That short interest volume has been decreasing day by day. If we look at StockGrid, we can see that the net short interest, while the total short interest has been increasing, we can see that the daily short volume has been decreasing pretty much every single day for weeks now. Guys, if you want to pick up some AMC shares before the short squeeze happens, but you haven't even yet signed up to a trading platform, be sure to check out the links down below for some free shares, whether you're in the US or the UK or in Europe. You can currently get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850 with Webull at the moment if you're in the US, and a free share with free trade worth up to £200 if you're in the UK or in Europe. And as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out some of my others. Alternatively, subscribe to the channel and ding that notification bell, because that way you'll be alerted when I upload a new video. Cheers!